All right, so here's a follow-up video tutorial. I am recording this because I've tried out having the kids do the videos from MathXL, and so I've discovered quite a few things. One, the only browser that they can use with MathXL is going to be Mozilla Firefox. I don't know, for some reason, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, it just won't load the media. This media that we have inserted in the MathXL homework, it won't load at all. So if the kids are in Mozilla Firefox and they click on the link of the video, all right, it is going to pop up a menu, something like this. All they need to do is click OK. And then they will see another window like this. All they need to do is click on Open Site in New Window. Now you will notice that a new tab, an Edpuzzle tab, just got created on the browser. So what will happen is, because this is the first time that the students will watch a video from MathXL, they will be asked to log on to Edpuzzle. All they need to do here is scroll down and click on Sign In with Microsoft. All right? So click this, and they should put in their school ID. So ID number, school email, ID number at cguhsd.org. The password is still the usual password that they use. And then it will prompt them to join the class that we created earlier in the Edpuzzle, so we can generate an assignment link. Now, in my case, because I have already filled in my credentials for the Microsoft sign-in, it already gave me access to the assignment that was assigned on MathXL, which is the Edpuzzle video here. Now, why am I pushing through with this? Why am I pushing this Edpuzzle inside MathXL option? Number one, the kids can view the lesson in full screen. Unlike in Blackboard, I'm not sure if you have observed, once you embed Edpuzzle inside Blackboard, this video stuff here, this video here is just a teeny tiny rectangle in there, and for the kids to watch the video, they have to zoom in to the screen. There was no option to have it in full screen mode when it was in Blackboard. Here, because it opened as another tab with Edpuzzle, you can see that they have this option here to watch it full screen, which means it's going to be a fully immersed experience for the kids with the video itself, and they will not have any problem seeing what is being projected in there. So I would say I really like the idea of having the Edpuzzle assignments included in our MathXL, plus of course, the purpose of having a prerequisite, making sure that the kids will not be able to just watch videos. We cannot restrict them in Blackboard. So with MathXL, we know that the video lesson will only open if the previous lessons master check has been cleared up already. So, all right, feel free to explore this, and I hope this video was very helpful. Thank you.